I'm going to do a different flower design today, and I'm going to use a light tan as my base. I'm going to do one coat, cure it, do a second coat, cure it, and then I'm going to just apply a very thin coat of an iridescent sparkle and cure it. I'm going to use my gold metallic gel, and then I'm also going to use two different reflective, really sparkly gels, a light blue and kind of a copper color. Now I'm going to use my dotting tool, and I'm going to do two flowers. So I'm just going to do the polka dots first, and then I'm going to take a really fine, tiny nail art brush and drag the gel down just to make petals. I'm not worrying about them being perfect because I'm going to actually apply the two different sparkly gels that I laid out. So once I have that, I've cured it. Now I'm just going to take a thin nail art brush, and I'm going to do the copper one on the top flower and blue on the bottom flower. And then once I have that done, I'm going to cure it. Now I'm going to just paint a stem on both and cure it. And then I'm using this mint green, and I'm going to create some leaves. So I'm going to use my dotting tool again, and then that really fine nail art brush, and I'm just going to make a point on one end and a point on the other. It's a really quick, easy way to make leaves. And then once I have those done, I'm going to cure them. I'm going to want to cure everything in between with this step because I'm applying more layers on top. So now I'm just going to apply polka dots to fill in the space. You don't have to do that. I could have just left flowers, but I'm just going to fill them in and use colors just to tie everything in. So I'm going to cure that, and now I'm going to use black polka dots with a smaller dotting tool and do a dot inside the green. And then I'm going to cure that. And now I'm just going to use my metallic and use a little bit of a smaller dotting tool and put one more dot. So it's almost like a three-dimensional polka dot. Now I'm just going to take black and just apply some detail to separate the petals. And again, art is all in the eye of the beholder, so don't worry about being perfect. Then I'm just going to do the inside stems of the leaf on all the leaves. And then once I'm done that, then I'm going to cure it again. And then I'm going to take a bigger dotting tool after I've cured this layer, and I'm going to do a center to each of the flowers. I'm going to do black, cure that, and then just do a tiny dot of the opposite colored glitter gel. And now I'm just going to apply a top coat, cure it, and there you have it. Simple and easy. Very pretty.